Have put out a detailed tax plan, and let's drill down. You want 3 tax brackets, 10, 25, and 28%, a cap on tax deductions, except for charity at 2% of gross income, lower the top corporate rate from 35 to 20%, almost double the standard deduction. Briefly, what's the thinking?
The thinking is we need to create high sustained economic growth to lift people out of poverty and to give people a pay raise for the first time in a long while. So reducing the corporate tax rate and fully expensing capital investment will create a renaissance of investment in our own country, on Main Street, in the real economy, and that's what we need to be focused on. And lowering rates for people to give them more money in their pockets is a great idea. Look, we'll curb government spending, but the dynamic effect of higher growth will generate far more revenue than any of the most exotic tax plans that are being proposed on the left. I mean, Bernie Sanders has proposed $19 trillion of new spending over 10 years, and it's September of the year before the election. Hillary Clinton has already proposed higher taxes and more spending and regulation. I think we need to move in the different direction, which is limit government's power and shift power away from Washington. And cutting taxes has the dual benefit of increased economic activity and also shifting power back to our community.